As a digital nomad, I'm always looking for a way to make money online, and I love to share it here so you guys can do the same. Whether you want the freedom to work and travel full time, or you just want to start a profitable side hustle and work from home. So today I'm going to take you along with me while I try one of the most popular way to make money online, which is print on demand. If you have searched about how to make money online on the internet, I'm sure you have come across print on demand. And the reason why I want to give print on demand a shot is because it has low startup costs, you don't have to deal with the inventory or shipping hassle, and nowadays there is a plenty of room to scale. There are many print on demand platforms out there, but after doing my research, I decided to go with Gelato. And Gelato is sponsoring this video. The reason why I picked Gelato is because they produce everything locally, which means faster delivery and lower carbon emission. This is very important, especially if you want to build a sustainable business. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started and give print on demand a try. So before diving into product creation, I wanted to make sure that I'm choosing something that actually sells. You can technically guess what would work, but I want to do some solid research. So I'm gonna go to platforms like Etsy and Shopify. This is usually the platforms people use to sell their print on demand. So now on Etsy, I'm just gonna look what are the items that people are usually selling and also getting good reviews. I think custom mugs is something that will sell really well because you can see like even with this, like it has a really good reviews. I found that mug is one of the top sellers across both platforms. So I think it's not just a great product for print on demand, but also it has a higher perceived value, meaning like I can price it higher and make a good profit with it. So for this, I'm just gonna go to Canva. Okay. I'm just gonna try and make something simple and also girly. Oh, this is cute. Now, I'm not a graphic design, so this might take a while for me to create the design, but that's also the beauty in it. You don't have to be a professional. With all of this platform, it makes it super easy to get started. Honestly, it is pretty fun designing all of this. Okay, now that we have the design, we're just gonna download it. Now that we have the design, it's time to upload them on Gelato. So here I'm going to go to product catalog and search for mugs. Let's create this one. Oh yeah, this is so cool because we also can customize the inside color for the mug. Since my design was pink bow, I'm gonna go with red. All right, now we're going to upload the design. I love how easy the process is because I just have to design it. But even if you don't want to design the product yourself, you can always go to Fiverr or Upwork and find someone who can help you design the product. I really like that they produce all of it locally because now the customer doesn't have to wait for too long for the product to be shipped. And also it's helping the local business. All right, but now that I have uploaded my design, it's time to do the 3D preview. I love this one because now you get to see how the product would look like in real life. I honestly think this looks pretty good. I would definitely order this. Now that my product is ready, I just had to set up the shop to sell them. So I want to keep it easy and simple. So I think I'm just gonna try and sell it on Etsy. The great thing about Etsy is you pretty much don't have to do the marketing yourself because it already has its own audience. So it really helps with the visibility. So you can connect Shopify or Etsy store. So you can also connect your Amazon, TikTok shop, Wix, Squarespace. This is a pretty good selection, but I think most people will sell either on Shopify or Etsy. Okay, now that the store is connected, now we can publish our first product, which is very exciting. Oh, this is really cool. They also help you create the mock-up. So yeah, you pretty much can just use all of this. And then I think I'm gonna go with this one and this one. And then we just have to fill in the product description. Oh, here they have AI, generate with AI. Let's try this. Hmm. Honestly, I'm very impressed. I'm trying this first time with you guys, so I can give you my honest opinion. Pink ribbon mud styling. Good for coffee lovers. That's so cute. Oh my God. You don't even have to spend more time creating the title and also the description because in Gelato, you can just like use AI and then they help you generate everything. So, of course, this looks amazing, but every time you use AI to generate it, you always want to check it again and see if there is something you want to tweak or remove. I'm just gonna add or matcha in here because I know a lot of people are into matcha nowadays. We'll do apply. And now it's time to set the price. So with this, I'm just gonna go back to Etsy and see how much people are selling. I think I'm gonna try and sell it for 15.5. Okay, so here what it will show you is the product cost itself. So you don't have to do all the calculation by yourself, which I think is like really helpful. And you'll see how much estimated the profit whenever you make the sale. So you'll make 5.83 cents every time someone purchase your design, which we just did. So you don't have to worried about anything else because like what I said before with Gelato, they handle everything from the production, packaging, delivery once the order comes in. So here they have different regions where they can deliver the items. I feel like it covers good options for shipping. So yay! So with that, we just published our first item on Etsy and starting the print on demand journey. Honestly, it is more simple than I thought. I was kind of hesitant because I don't have any prior experience on selling on Etsy and yeah, I feel like Gelato just make the whole process a lot easier and simple. Now that everything is set up and published, I'm feeling so excited for this. I'm gonna check it after the next few weeks and see how it's performing. I know a lot of you have been thinking about trying print on demand or looking for some way to make money online. If you're one of those people, this is a sign to give it a go. And if you want to get started, you can use my link down below to get 50% off your first order with Gelato. So make sure to check it out if you want to give it a shot. Imagine turning your business idea into an actual business. And yeah, I feel like with platform like Gelato, it makes it very accessible and possible to start making money from home or anywhere you want. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy following me along setting up my print-on-demand store. I hope this inspires you guys to start taking the first step on creating a side hustle or a business online. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!